The with statement construct can be used with any type of object which implements the context manager protocol. We're not going to show you how to implement that in this course, but we will show you a simple way to make your own classes usable with the context manager using the code in fridge.py. The module includes a class, refrigerator raider, which, well, raids a refrigerator. It has three methods: open, which opens the fridge door; take, which gets some food from the refrigerator; and close, which closes the fridge door. There's also a module scope driver function, raid, which performs a full raid on the refrigerator. We'll import raid into the REPL and go on the rampage. First, let's take some bacon. As expected, the code opens the fridge doors, finds the bacon, takes the bacon, and closes the fridge door. Very responsible. It's important that we remember to close the door, so the food will be preserved until our next raid. Now let's try another raid for deep fried pizza. This time we were interrupted by the health warning and didn't get around to closing the door. We can fix that by using a function called closing in the Python standard library context_lib module. After importing the function, we wrap our call to the refrigerator raider constructor in a call to the closing function, which wraps our object in a context manager that always calls the close method on the wrapped object before exiting. We use this object to initialize the with block. Now when we execute a raid, the fridge door is closed twice. We see that our explicit call to close is unnecessary, so let's fix that up too. A more sophisticated implementation might check that the door was already closed and ignore subsequent requests. Let's try again. This time, even though the health warning was triggered, the door was still closed for us afterwards by the context manager.